If you've ever wanted to upgrade the fog lights on your Tacoma, this is the best bulb in the world. It's the brightest bulb. It's refined and it looks really good. This is the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb. I'm gonna show you how much brighter it is in this video. It's important to have a good bulb that's been tested in this fog light. It's a reflector-based fog light, and the last thing you want is all of that light scattering all over the place. Now, it's not gonna be a 1-to-1 ratio. It's really, really hard to get an LED bulb to actually match that wire-wound filament out of the H11 halogen bulb that this one uses. We can get pretty close. The best part is we're dealing with brightness here. If you want the brightest fog light in the world, this is where it's at. Now, I'm gonna show you guys on this vehicle. I'm just gonna back it up about 10 meters from the wall. I'm gonna use a digital lux meter, and I'm gonna measure the brightest point on the wall. That's gonna be the benchmark. I'm then gonna compare that to the Ultra 3. Now, the Ultra 3 bulb can have a yellow bulb or a white bulb. It's of whatever choice you want. In my opinion, I like the white better, but a lot of people here at Headlight Revolution, probably all of them or most of them besides me, would rather have a yellow bulb as the fog lights. The yellow bulbs do a little bit better job in inclement weather like snow, but in my opinion, I like the white better. You guys be the judge here. This is what your stock fog lights look like, and obviously this is a dingy looking yellowish dated color. This is the last thing you want. It is not very bright. Yeah, you've got a pretty decent beam pattern as far as this reflector fog light goes, but still, if you want brighter bulbs, you gotta check out the Ultra 3. This is what the Ultra 3 looks like. I measured 1,130 maximum lux. That is 858% brighter at the brightest point when you're driving down the road. That is an insane brightness difference. Now, oftentimes I see a loss of brightness when you're using a yellow bulb. So if you want the yellow bulbs, no, it might not be as bright, but it does pass through the particles and the snow and the sleet a lot better. I measured 1,060 maximum lux, which is still 798% brighter than your stock halogen lights. So if you did want a yellow option in the fog light area on this Tacoma, that's definitely recommended, or the white. Both of them is going to be a major improvement. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact, with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. Now, I don't think you're gonna need help on the install. Pop the hood, reach your hand way down into the abyss, feel around. It's hard to show on camera. Turn your bulb counterclockwise, disconnect it from the wiring, take your Ultra 3, plug it into that OEM connection, and reinstall the bulb like you took the old one out. Now, if for some reason that fog light beam pattern isn't giving you a really good beam pattern, it's scattering it more than it probably should, it probably is because this bulb is not aligned properly. If it's sitting like this at an angle, or like this, it's the last thing you want. It's a reflector-based fog light, like I said, and you need this to replicate your OEM wire-wound filament from that halogen bulb, so you need it to be in the exact spot like this, with the cord facing down. This LED needs to shoot out, this side needs to shoot out that way, horizontally, so it's good to go. The Ultra 3 is totally adjustable, and it even comes with a little Allen key in this H11 bulb. Simply reach it in to this little hole, little keyway on the side. We're gonna loosen it up just a little bit. You don't have to remove that all the way, and that'll allow this collar to rotate like this. It should be right out of the box, totally aligned properly, but if for whatever reason it's not, just test it a few different ways, put it in there. Once it sits right, remove it, tighten that up a little bit, and you're good to go. Lastly, if the bulb didn't even turn on, it's probably because it's polarity specific, which means that the connector was just connected backwards. You can disconnect your OEM wiring, flip it 180 degrees, plug it back in, and then the bulb should come on just fine. This is one of my favorite videos to make because it's so dramatic of a change. If you want the best fog lights when it's just a set it and forget it product with a lifetime warranty, the Ultra 3 is where it's at. Otherwise, you can replace the entire housing. We've tested that before. Type in your year, make, and model of your Tacoma so that way you can get the right products for your vehicle. We want you to own the best in aftermarket lighting, and that's why we go so hard on the Tacoma. We'll see you at headlightrevolution.com.